fuck your shit up though.
Get a sentence, but anyways, fucking count these racks, chase these millions. I'ma be the same Nixon in the cellar in the Bentley. You feel me? Like I'm off that drink, got me tripping.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's how got smack catch my drip in. Just switch the standard for the stick, bitch. I'm blixing. Nigga, we.
YouTube, it's your boy Wild Charlie D, man, and we back. Today, we got. We got the pedal shifters. Ooh. I'm a little sick right now, bro. I sound bad, buddy. But we got these pedal shifters, man. We got all this stuff coming in soon, bro. We got everything on the order. Oh shit. Hold on, bro. Let me put the camera down real quick and figure out how to do this. I'm gonna hit y'all boys right back. And we back. I put them pedal shifters on, man. Took me a little minute. Not gonna lie. Smooth, little. You can tell the difference. It's easier to really just draw like this. Oh shoot, wrong button. Fingering the hell out my pedal shifters. But yeah, man. That's gonna be this new video. Finna get y'all boys a POV drive. I gotta clean this car off first, bro. Look at all that. Look at all that, bro. It's dirty, bro. I gotta dust her out, man. I ain't been driving there in a minute. I'll get y'all boys a quick little start. Something slide. I gotta fix this though, bro. My gas gauge messed up. Check engine light on. Gotta take care of that. Nail in the tire. Gotta take care of that one too. But you see the mileage, bro. We ain't that high. Gotta take care of that one too. That one coming, bro. That one coming like next week, dog. I promise. That one coming like next week, I promise. This one coming soon. That one, y'all gonna see these two together. It's finna go crazy. But that one coming next week for sure. That one coming soon too. I got them on the way right now. Got a nail in my tire, buddy, but I got that on the way right now. But hey, man, it's your boy Wild Child D, man. See y'all boys. YouTube, it's your boy Wild Child D, man. We back, bro. First video, you know, POV driving the vet, man. 5% on the windows. And I got a little windshield screw. Oh, this is a POV drive, bro. I ain't gonna do too much talking. So y'all see, I got different modes. Eco on the weather mode, bring up the same, what's it called? Same gauge. We switch to that track mode. Wet outside, so I ain't. Oh, little night POV. I'm gonna get a better video tomorrow, bro. But this a little night POV before I go to work, man. I'm gonna get y'all boys a morning POV too. Once I get off, get a morning POV. But it's the first video, bro. First of many. YouTube grind finna be real.